Stuck with a Stripe issue and need help ASAP? Let's unlock the secret to getting instant support through Stripe's live chat. First, head over to Stripe.com and log into your Stripe account using your email and password. This is crucial, as live chat is only accessible to logged-in users. Once you're in your dashboard, look for the support option, usually located in the top right corner of the page. Click on it to access the support portal. Now you're in the Stripe Support Center. Before initiating a chat, try using the search bar to find answers to your question. Typing your query here might quickly resolve common issues. If you still need assistance, scroll down or look around the Support Center page for a button that says something like Contact Support or Chat with Support. The exact wording and location may vary slightly. Clicking that button will open a chat window. You might be asked to briefly describe your issue to help route you to the appropriate support specialist. Then, simply type your question or describe your problem clearly. A Stripe support agent will join the chat to provide real-time assistance, and that's it. You're now connected with Stripe's live chat support, ready to get your issues resolved quickly and efficiently. #customer support #live chat.